Hello friends, how you all doing? In today's video we're gonna try raw figs for the first time. We've tried dry figs before but never tried the raw ones, so let's check it out. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Alright. Now let's cut it open and see what's inside of it. Alright, ooh, check this out. All these seeds. You like this? Very interesting. Let's actually try it. It's sweeter than I thought. Right?
Yeah.
You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
What? I'll try this one. I actually like it. Seriously? You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
Would you buy it again?
No.
I would. What you didn't like about it?
It's just the grassy taste I don't like. It's really weird.
Well, there is some grassy taste, yeah. But overall, it's really good. You'll have to finish this one. And now this one. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you next time. In today's video we're gonna try raw fish. That's not raw fish.
Raw fish.
Point. Uh-oh.